The costs of cryptographic forms of money are driven by many elements, including media publicity, reception rate, lawful criminal operations, and organic market. This multitude of variables make leading a specialist examination of digital money urgent in the present market. Brise is another undertaking in the digital currency world that has acquired fame due to turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the leap forward of the year. We'll cover the bitgert task subtleties, track down the responses to the most well-known questions, and notice some Brise cost expectations. What is bitgert Brise? This year, bitgert is among the most interesting cryptographic money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It publicizes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade DEX. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell BRC20 tokens. The Brise crypto is the local badge of bitgert. The token was sent off on July 6, 2021, close by the undertaking's true site. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority (POA) agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be entirely adaptable, however it doesn't reduce analysis over them for being profoundly unified. The bitgert network was advertised as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange charges. Yet it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing debates in the crypto space. Since the day of its send-off, there have been numerous DApp discharges on bitgert convention, from non-fungible token (NFT) commercial centers to decentralized finance (DeFi) conventions. The bitgert environment truly extended in the primary year of its presence, and it's supposed to give no indications of pausing and go on with its development henceforward. There are various unanswered inquiries regarding the bitgert project, for example, who makes up its staff, how dependable its blockchain is, and the way that it utilizes promoting bitgert's standing is discolored on the web. In light of the absence of great first individual data, the undertaking is encircled by a ton of hypothesis and bits of hearsay. Its appearance led to an enormous number of bits of hearsay. The crypto local area focused on the dubious comparability of this picture with the consequences of simulated intelligence-based photograph generators. That multitude of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a longing to save privacy. The problematic showcasing techniques utilized by the task group are dubious too. In this way, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They compassed a lot of recordings about bitgert, referencing the task just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful undertaking on a standard with currently fruitful and demonstrated digital currencies like ADA, SPEL, and so on. Bitgert Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of bitgert costs expected in 2023, the base expense of bitgert will be $0.00000669. The greatest level that the Brise cost can reach is $0.00000799. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00000699. Brise value gauge for February 2023. In light of the value variances of bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0.00000519 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.00000047 and at $0.00000539 individually. WAC 2023. Bitgert Value Conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Brise cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0000005099, while the most extreme could reach $0.0000005599 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of bitgert may be around $0.0000005299. Brise value estimate for April 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value variances of bitgert in 2023. and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they anticipate may be around $0.0000005599 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.0000005299 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.0000005899. May 2023. Bitgert value estimate around mid-year 2023. The Brise cost will be exchanged at $0.0000005699 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0.0000006099. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0000005499 in May 2023. Brise value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitgert costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.0000005899. The least and pinnacle Brise rates may be $0.0000005699 and $0.0000006299. July 2023. Bitgert value figure. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Brise cost will be around $0.0000006099. In July 2023, the Bitgert cost might drop to at least $0.0000005899. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.0000006499 in July 2023. Brise value estimate for August 2023. Having examined Bitgert costs, digital money specialists expect that the Brise rate could arrive at a limit of $0.0000006799 in August 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0.0000005999. For August 2023, the determined normal of Bitgert is almost $0.0000006199. September 2023. Bitgert value figure around mid-2023. The Bitgert cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.0000006399. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Brise cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.0000006199 and $0.0000006999. Brise value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Bitgert worth won't dip under at least $0.0000006399. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0.0000007399. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.0000006599. November 2023. Bitgert value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Brise costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Bitgert will be around $0.0